Back at it again with the trash lightning rolling in 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Rocks all in my watch. I like texts from my exes when they want a second chance. I like proving.
Hey guys, it's Gift, and today I am back with another video. So, as you read by the title, today's video is going to be a get ready with me because school is tomorrow. Oh, okay. Anyways, so I made, okay, this whole style right now, like how I'm looking right now is like really crazy. Like I just put on anything. I can't talk. I'm having visitors tonight who are going to stay. They're coming from a whole other continent to come here and stay with us for like a while. So I don't get to like, you know, have to share my room. So I'm Gucci flip-flops. Anyways, so I'm just gonna be taking you guys. Oh, my edges are looking rough. Okay, anyway, so I just thought I'd make a video of, you know, prepping and all that. So my room is currently kind of a mess right now. Like everything is just all over the place. I have a whole bunch of like coffee stuff. I don't know, I'm gonna do that there. So I have like a whole bunch of stuff. My freaking closet is messed up as hell. I'm gonna try and clean it today, hopefully. Anyways, so yes, my first day of school is tomorrow. I made this video also last year. The thing about it is I'm not in that school anymore. It's quite sad. I really did like it. Peep my cute necklace, bro. I'm gonna like do a little cleaning, shower, take off my nail polish. Yeah, because my nails are looking quite a mess. It's looking so horrible. I like showering the night before school, so yes, I will come back to you guys. My camera needs to charge, and yes, hopefully this video goes up. It's so late because people already started their videos, so I'm not gonna get no views, but it's still worth it to post. So yes, I start September 5th, and am I excited?
You gotta be so heartless. You cut my heart in a million pieces.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button, like this video, and comment and all that good stuff, and I will see you later. Frick was that? Okay, and I will see you guys later. Okay, bye.
Eventually.
Alright, hey guys, we're rolling again. So I just literally came out the shower. I look a mess. I really look a mess. And guess what? You know I said I don't have to share my room with anyone. Turns out I'm sharing it with my brothers. Currently 11:54, September 4th. In 6 minutes, it's officially school day, and I should be asleep. Like I'm getting up early at 6:30. I'm not trying to be late again to school, so I'm gonna wear this to school. Yeah, and I go to a uniform school, so you guys see me wearing this top because I just thought I'll wear it. I don't want to wear a sleep gown. I know I'm not gonna wake up at 6:30, so you know, let me just wear it so it'll be easier in the morning. My room is a little bit clean now at the moment. How's this kind of clean? Let's check the weather. Hey Siri, what's the weather tomorrow?
It's going to be hot and sunny tomorrow, with a high of 84 degrees.
I'm still wearing a sweater. I wear sweaters 24/7, so guys, this is my cheap pack and go bag. I really don't care about the bags. They always break for me, which is really bad. What am I doing? Oh, sorry, I don't mind my toes. So I just have a binder with a bunch of loose leaves, and I was gonna put in the dividers, but I was like, you know what, they're probably gonna be nice tomorrow and not let us do work, so I left it. And then I have a notebook, my binder with a bunch of loose leaves, and then a book, and then my folder. So this one over here, we just have some good stuff like a pen, pencils. Ooh, I got a lot of pencils. And then a bunch of pens. So I just decided to throw some coins inside, and just other stuff. And then, okay, but for now, so I look so bad right now. So for now, we're just gonna use my lemon nail remover to take off my nails.
Bye, Obi. Bye. Bye.
Yeah. I will see you guys in the morning. So, okay, because they're making so much noise. So bye, guys. There you go. Bye.
Plastic cups singing love is forever and never. Well, I guess that was true.
Hey. It's currently 6:42. Came out extremely horrible. Yeah. We're gonna cut this off because it's still on and I am late. Yeah, bearings are on. Kind of up with them. Actually use this. Okay, have I started going to school and I'm like, it's so early, so we're gonna start because I feel late. I literally just like to do that. Just, yeah.
20 minutes later.
Get up. You tell her. We're gonna tie this up right now because I'm kind of excited. No. Okay. So I just threw in a cardigan, my black sneakers for school. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut this up. This is my finished look for school. I think it's kind of cute, and see you guys when I'm in school. Follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, or whatever you can. I will be snapping the rest of my day on there, so follow me. Yeah, so I'm waiting for my sister right now because we're supposed to be going together. So we're taking the bus, right? Yeah. I don't want people to look at me as weird, so okay. So yeah, so I have everything. I'm late to school. So currently walking 7:50. I haven't even got on the train yet. And I have to take 2 trains, so yeah, I'm late as hell. But I'm here with my sister, so. So I'm currently walking to that. Oh my god, it sucks, man.
2,000 years later.
Hey guys, so I am back from school. We ended early today. We actually ended at 1:13. I actually have a headache right now because I was laughing so hard. Like I really did. I really missed my class. But yes, I going to go and sleep this headache off. So I don't know what else to say. So I'm just gonna stop here and subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. What the frick am I doing? I don't want to stop it. I just look so like nice. Okay, bye.